McDonald's chili cheese tops. And once you make this recipe, this will be your kids' favorite recipe. Believe me, try this. This will be so cheesy, so instant and fast, and of course the favorite of yours and your kids too, especially. So let's see how to make this chili cheese tops. So let's learn. We need boiled potatoes, green chilies. I have taken 2 green chilies, finely chopped, mozzarella cheese, salt. Mix all these ingredients properly. Use your hands to mix or to mash the potatoes, mozzarella cheese, green chilies and salt properly. Now after mashing it, make small balls or any kind of shape you want with this mixture. So as you can see, I have prepared all the balls and oval shaped with this mixture. Now in a plate, take maida or all-purpose flour, water, add little water and make it a thick consistency paste. This paste we will be using to coat the potato balls, to fry them. So it should have a consistency so that it will stick to the balls. So this is the consistency I am using. Now here comes the secret ingredient, that is oregano. I am adding oregano to this maida and water paste. It will give a very good flavor to your chili cheese dips. Add little salt. Don't add too much. This is just to have a beautiful flavor for the outer layer. So let's see how we do the balls. We take the potato balls, roll it and then dip into the maida and water consistency and then coat it with the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs will give you a crunchy flavor, and then you have to repeat this process 2 times. That means again I have to dip this into the maida and water and then again I will dip into breadcrumbs. So in this way you have to coat the balls 2 times with maida and with the breadcrumbs. This is quite messy thing, but the result will be excellent. Believe me, this takes only 5 minutes. So you have to bear the mess now. So we will repeat all these steps with all the other potato balls. when you have coated all the potato balls, now they are ready to fry. As you can see, it is so easy and so fast, and you get a McDonald's style chili cheese dips at home. Please try this at home and leave the comments if you like this video of making of McDonald's style chili cheese dips. So friends, let me know if you have tried this recipe at home. Please try this at home and let me know if you like this video of making of chili cheese dips. I hope you like this making of chili cheese tops at home. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Journey of Kitchen. You can also give the comments below. Thank you. Namaste.